In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your availability in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open up your Pipedrive account and log in. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You should see various options, and the one we're interested in today is Activities. Go ahead and click on that. Now this will take you to your activities list where you can manage your tasks and meetings. At the top of that list, there's a little function called the Meeting Scheduler. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Manage Availability. This is the section where all the magic happens when it comes to sharing your schedule. Once you're in the Meeting Scheduler, take a moment to look through your list of configured meeting types. You might find options like a discovery call or a product demo. Identify the meeting type that you want to use. Check and make sure that it is enabled, meaning it's active and ready to accept appointments. If it's not, you can quickly toggle it on, so don't worry. Once you have your desired meeting type ready, the next step is generating your unique scheduling link. Look for the Share button right next to that specific availability slot you've just verified. Click on that button, and voila! Your personalized scheduling link is now created. Now, all that's left to do is copy this link. Click the Copy button, or simply highlight the link and use your keyboard shortcuts. After you've done that, it's time to spread the word. You can paste this link into your email, a chat message, or even a proposal. This makes it easy for others to see when you're available and schedule a meeting with you. And that's all there is to it. Sharing your availability in Pipedrive is a quick and efficient way to streamline your scheduling process. You no longer have to go back and forth trying to find a suitable time to meet. Just share your link and let your contacts pick what works best for them. If you feel like this would be helpful for someone else, don't hesitate to share your copy of the link or explain how easy it is to set up within Pipedrive. It can really ease the hassle of organizing meetings and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Before we wrap up, remember that effective scheduling is a cornerstone of productivity. The easier you make it for others to find time with you, the more likely you are to build strong relationships, close deals, and ultimately succeed in your business endeavors. So there you have it. Sharing your availability in Pipedrive is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.